OpenAI launches ChatGPT Plus starting at $20 per month. Oh, already? They just launched it?
Yeah, it's official.
Well, the rumor was Microsoft was going to give them billions of dollars. It's going to be $42. So I guess 20 is better than that. But I'm curious if people are willing to pay for it. Aiming to monetize what's become a viral phenomenon, OpenAI today launched a new pilot subscription plan for ChatGPT. Starting at $20 per month. The service delivers a number of benefits over the base level ChatGPT, including general access, even during peak times. They know how to get you right now because you can't even log on right now.
Yeah.
They're like, priority sequence. You'll bypass the line. And all of a sudden, Will's like, he's hovering on the mouse for $20 a month. $20 a month is not cheap, though. Like, that's pretty... Well, I don't know how many subscriptions you have over 20 a month.
No, not at all. But I'll give it a shot and see what the benefits are. I usually just have GPT bookmarked, and it's in my tab, so I don't have to quit. And I just refresh it from time to time, and I'm in.
So that's the reason no one else can use it, is because you never close it.
Yeah, I'm just constantly on. I have all the browser tabs.
So rude. Yeah, during peak
GPT.
times. Faster response times, priority access. Free ChatGPT tier is here to stay. So you can still use the free one. It's just going to suck, is what they're basically saying. And Plus is only available to customers in the U.S. at the moment. How dare you? What about your Canadian brothers? Rude. OpenAI says it'll be in the process of inviting people from the wait list in the coming months and look to expand Plus to additional countries and regions soon. Here's a quote from the company. We launched ChatGPT as a research preview so we could learn more about the system's strengths and weaknesses and gather user feedback to help us improve upon its limitations. Since then, millions of people have given us feedback. We've made several important updates, and we've seen users find value across a range of professional uses, including drafting and editing content, brainstorming ideas, programming help, and learning new topics. Listen, Will, can you imagine a scale of a company that's charging the entire world $20 a month? Because nobody can exist without their ChatGPT. No one even knows how to answer any questions anymore without it. No one knows how to respond to a text without asking ChatGPT first. And it'll cost you $20 a month. And 20, once it becomes imperative that you have this thing, 20 becomes 200, doesn't it?
Yeah, based on this next article, I feel like they're going to make a pretty penny.
And then Microsoft says, take some billions from us. Take a few of these billions that we have sitting around.
And make trillions.
And just figure out the rest of it. And we'll just take a small piece of these subscription fees. The whole world's going to be cheating on their... I'm kidding.
No.
I don't know if it's cheating. That. I mean, no, I'm saying, listen, man, the definition of cheating is going to change, isn't it? What is cheating? What is cheating?
Can you define cheating, ChatGPT?
Oh, so you best be asking ChatGPT about what cheating actually is.
Yeah.